Saturday, April 6th. Dad's got his head in the back engine compartment and see what he's up to. Looks like Dad and Steve are working on a manifold. Steve's in his dancing gear here.
Drop right down with that block. Yeah. So. Okay.
So what's going on here today?
Oh, I just want to fit up the exhaust manifold.
Once again, it's the weekend and Dad is waiting on parts.
Okay. Fuck is gonna hold that up now. I'll have to put a block in there. And then see how the intake fits up. Big exhaust is really heavy to lift.
You need me to lift it into place?
With one bad arm, eh?
And it's kind of funny, there's no other stubbing for that to go. Like there's a notch for that, this to sit, but there's another hole there.
Yeah, just a notch. Okay. And just let it sit like that for a minute. You should be okay there, Steve. Let it go. It'll rest on that. No.
So we haven't seen Steve in a while. Dad gave him shit.
Yeah, I
this
was
is
in hiding.
Dad's other son. And Steve came out for a visit here today, see where he can help out. And we just lost Harley Shop Dog. Passed away. We're reminiscing all morning here about what a good dog Harley was. But back to work. We're gonna plan the funeral for Harley later on this week. And
that's how it goes.
so Dad's got all this fitted in here.
I gotta get a bunch of studs, eh?
Okay. Do you want me to get the big light for you?
No, it's good. As far as I'm going. I'll just leave that for now. I need I got gaskets, but there's no studs come with this. So I got to order studs, and then there's special washers that go in between here.
Oh, to take up that gap,
Hey?
to take up this space.
Well, once I put the bolt in here, that gets this straight, and then you lift it up, and they're tapered washers that go on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. We'll have to look it up in your book on Monday.
Okay, sure.
That's going to be very tight. If you look from back here, Rob,
Okay.
it's going to be very tight to put the exhaust in. You see that big pipe there?
Yeah.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, that's where the exhaust goes.
Okay. Can you point it out for the boys there?
Down
underneath
here and
yeah.
out.
Okay. So have you got that exhaust pipe here now?
I won't know until I get that all set up and then try and figure something out.
Okay. So here's a big difference on the narrow gauge to wide gauge is just
Yeah, everything
more
is so tight, eh?
tight. But it's not the first problem Dad has
Well, we've
faced.
done it before.
So he'll figure it out. It's what he does. It's what he's paid to do. But everything is step by step, and want to make sure we're doing it once instead of 3 times. And
Well, as long as you got the parts, you're okay.
yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna let Dad and Steve figure this out here, and then we'll see you on the.
That roll pin there?
Yeah.
That's what holds.
Gonna let Dad and Steve figure this out.
So